Stanley Kubrick rewrote and reworked the script for The Shining so frequently that Jack Nicholson and Shelley Duvall basically gave up trying to learn their lines until the day of shooting. And even then, Kubrick would often change lines on the fly between takes. And he did it all with this beautiful yellow portable typewriter, the Adler Tippa. And I'm happy to say that I bought one of my own in like new, fully working condition. Well, at least that's what the seller said. It arrived with several broken parts, misaligned components, and wouldn't even type. First, let's take the broken cover off. One of the loose pieces is this broken post. Next, let's load up a sheet of paper and see how well it types. Just have to fix the ribbon that wasn't threaded properly. Be sure to get ink all over your fingers before you remember gloves exist. Alright, the 1 key sticks. 2 works. 3, oh, it sticks again. Caret key sticks. A key works. No, never mind, it sticks. Yep, definitely sticks. C key sticks. Spacebar works. And the margin bell is nice. Let's pull this ribbon out. This time without getting ink everywhere. Next, let's take the case off so we can clean everything. Pretty bad inside. Just need some compressed air to clean this out. And oh, here's another broken piece hidden within. Gonna start cleaning things with some isopropyl alcohol. Next, let's take off the carriage. Just have to remove the drawband that pulls the carriage back with the mainspring. Looks like it's in decent shape. Time to do some more cleaning. Gonna shimmy a towel behind all the keys so we can clean those up. Some long overdue dental cleaning on the key slugs. Next, let's clean the slots in the segment to stop the type bars from sticking. It's cool to figure out how the margin bell works. Just a simple hook that moves with the tab stop. Let's clean things further. And make sure the mainspring moves freely. It's super thoughtful they made a little hook for storing the drawband when the carriage is off. The spacebar and backspace stopped working. And there's a small spring that came off in here. Just have to fish it out and reattach it. That's better. Time to reinstall the carriage. Attach the drawband. Bolt it down. Now spacebar and backspace work again. Let's fix this broken key so it stops falling off. Just some CA glue. Much better. Do some deeper cleaning on the segment. The keys are typing well, except the semicolon. Just have to bend the type bar a little and hammer it to clear out any debris in the segment. Same with the C key. There we go. Now every key works again. Let's fix the broken post on the top cover. Just needs some CA glue and accelerant. Time to put the case back on. Thread the ribbon. Reinstall the top cover. And do a final cleaning. Now, I owe you an apology. I lied to you at the beginning of this video. This typewriter is not the one Stanley Kubrick used to write The Shining. That typewriter was an Alder Tippa S. Mine is a plain Alder Tippa, but that's nothing a bootleg emblem can't fix.